So this is the package that I received, guys, from Sample Room PH actually, and these are skincare products, as you can see, Bello products, and I actually have to review this. I will vlog this and try the skincare products and see what it does for my skin. So thank you so much, Sample Room PH. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. It's actually quite easy, guys. You just need to register or create an account at Sample Room PH. Anyway, I will link the website on the description box for this video, so you might wanna check that one out. And after you have an account created already, then you can choose your sample. And then the good thing about it is that it's not just limited to skincare products for the samples. There are a lot of products which they give out free samples of. So that's quite a very good thing. So after you have created an account, you choose a sample, check out, enter your information, your shipping information and all that, and then you will receive the package or the samples. And then you would have to try those samples, upload a review on their website. On my case though, I would be reviewing it here on my YouTube channel. So you might as well check that one out in the next few days as well. So it's better as well that you will, it's not better, but it is ideal, or they would want you to review it quite professionally and honestly. So if your intention is to bash these products or the companies from which these products are from, then they may or they will ban you from the website. So be honest, but have in a very professional way of reviewing the skincare products. Anyway, these are just free. So in the next clip, I will open the package in front of you so that you will be able to see what I receive. Also, I have received, or I've had this Sample Room account for quite a few years now. And it is just like maybe 1 month or maybe 2 months ago that I received an email from them. So I'll see you in the next clip, guys. All right?
5 minutes later.
So hey, awesomes, welcome to the next clip. Next clip, yeah, it's the next clip. Anyway, here it is. Let me just take something for the thumbnail. So the first PR package, and I'll open it. I'll open it in front of you guys, and I'll let you see what it looks like. But anyway, I just have to put something, for my face because it's kind of dry right now. Wait up, wait up. So I'm back, and yeah, well, I'll just put this one real quick. You have seen this vlog though. Nakita niyo na yung vlog na to, diba? Okay. So this is a moisturizer. Make sure your hands are clean. As you put it, you see I'm putting it right now actually. Putting a lot. So yeah, so that I'll look good in front of it while I open the PR package from Sample Room PH. By the way, guys, I don't know if it's available, like if you're outside the country or outside the Philippines. Obviously, since the website is called Sample Room PH, so I guess they will only deliver the products or the samples to you if you are from the Philippines. Yeah. Anyway, I guess that's about it. And like I said, yeah, it does smell so good. It feels so awesome in the skin, so calming, so moisturized, so whatever. All that good stuff. Anyway, here's the reason why we're vlogging. I'm going to open it right now. So let's see what we got. Actually, I know already. It's Bello products, but let's just see what they have for me. Oh, so there's this. You see? Yeah, well, there's nothing there. I believe they have placed the the product samples inside, and then yeah, well, you know what I mean, right? Anyway, so here it is. Here's the first product they have sent out two. This is the first one. I don't know if you can see it. So it's the tinted sunscreen. Can you see it, guys? SPF 50, just 10 ml, Bello Sun Expert, Perfecting Shield tinted sunscreen. So get superior sun protection plus it flawless, no makeup look every day. Use alone for instant perfecting coverage or layer under your favorite foundation or powder. So there's a tone adapt technology. So basically you can use this. Oh, it's non-comedogenic, guys. I have mentioned non-comedogenic from my previous skincare vlogs, right? So it's a good thing. It's definitely a good thing. So yes, here it is. It expires on 2021, so we're good with that. So that's the first product. The second one is this one. Oh, there you go. It's a Bello Intensive Whitening Toner. Micro Peeling Toner. Sorry about the noise, but anyway, here it is. It's well packaged. There's a bubble wrapping. I love popping those bubbles. Yes. Yeah, and I believe we still have some. Oh, there's nothing left. So pretty much, they sent out two samples. The tinted sunscreen. I believe I'm going to use this. This will be the first that I will make a review on. What do you think, guys? Should I use this first? Should I review this first or the toner? This one. Honestly, I'm not very fond with the toner. I remember I have used this before. If my memory serves me right, maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago. But I'm quite excited to use this, especially that it's summer. We have to use sunscreen because it's the heat is just unbelievable, and the noise outside is also unbelievable. But yes, guys, please wear your sunscreen, especially right now. What's now, March, right? Or April. I don't know when I'll be uploading this, but today actually is the 30th of March. So if you are watching this vlog on April, then it's really officially summer. So I will use this first and I'll make a vlog about it. I'll review it and upload it on their website, Sample Room PH, so that they will know what my thoughts are regarding the product. So pretty much that's how I got my first PR package, and yes, it is free. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, or my socials, my Facebook, it will be in the description box, so you can just DM me there, and also my Instagram. So if you like this video, guys, you know what to do. Comment as well if you still have any questions, or or what are your experience with having or receiving any PR packages. Also, I would like to point out though that I guess it is also okay if we initially reach out to them, especially that we are just really small channels or small YouTubers. So I think we are able to like email them or contact them that that we are available to use their product or have an honest and professional review. So it's not always because we only have like a couple of hundred. I don't know. Well, I think I'm close to 2,000 subscribers, but still, that's a really really small amount or a small number. So we're not a big YouTuber yet. So I think we can reach out to them first, right? Just make sure you will give an honest review. I believe that's the most important thing. But anyway, guys, I'm just blabbing myself here out. Have a good day. Have an awesome summer, and of course, don't forget your sunscreen. Bye. Stay awesome, everyone.